Mimi. Yesterday we drew a house together and you all loved it so much. As you know, ice cream is everyone's favorite summer treat. So today I thought you'd really enjoy this one too. We're going to draw an ice cream truck together. Come on, let's get started. Start by writing the text ice cream inside a rectangular signage. Add 3 rounded ice cream scoops above the signage. Next, draw small sprinkles. Then, add the small cherry on top. Form the body of the ice cream truck by making 2 curving lines. Draw the 2 circular wheels of the truck. Then, outline the thin rectangular bumper. Add the shape of the truck's front window. Draw a series of curved shapes to form the awning. Outline the large rectangular service window of the ice cream truck where customers can order their favorite ice cream flavors. Let's add a wavy line along the body of the ice cream truck to resemble dripping ice cream. First, fill in the ice cream scoops with the color of your favorite ice cream flavors. Next, shade the sprinkles with vibrant colors. Now, use red for the cherry and brown for its stem. Color the signage with yellow. Then, fill in the window with light blue. After that, paint the body of the ice cream truck with pink and orange. For the wheels, use black and shades of gray. For the bumper, use an off-white color. Shade the service window with dark purple and its base brown. Finally, color the awning with red and white. You can download the ice cream card coloring page for free from the link in the video description. I love you all so much! Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so we can draw together. Bye-bye!